Hi, welcome back to the show. Well, NBCC is the stock on our radar now. That stock is zooming away after reporting a very good set of numbers. The total income has gone up by almost 40% and so has the profits. Anup Kumar Mittal, the Chairman and Managing Director of NBCC, joins us now to talk about that. Mr. Mittal, good morning and thanks for joining us. It's been a very strong quarter for you. Just take us through what the expectation is in the quarters to come. Will this good performance continue?
Yes, good morning, and yes, definitely this progress will continue in the next 3 quarters, and this year's target is about 6,000 crore rupees top line, which will be about 30% increase from last year's performance. As well, bottom line will also increase in similar manner. This is internal target and I am quite hopeful that we will achieve, though the government's target is much less than this.
Okay. Do you see an improvement in margins? Your EBIT percentage actually for PMC has gone down. Even at the OPMs at the overall level, consolidated level is 3.6 versus 3.8. One would have expected margins to improve, isn't it? Costs are down.
You see, in quarterly balance sheet it's very difficult to match all these things, but definitely our margins in PMC will increase in this financial year. As we are doing few big projects like Kidwai Nagar, which is giving a lot of revenue in the projects. So I am quite hopeful that top line and bottom line both will increase simultaneously.
Yeah, in fact, last year the fourth quarter had shown 9% margins. Is that the run rate we should expect?
Yes, definitely, not less than 9%. Definitely, it may increase.
Okay. What is the order book as on the June quarter, and how much of order inflows have you seen in this quarter itself?
You see, outstanding order book at the end of the June quarter is about 26,000 crore. Apart this, there are some orders which we have not included in this order book, like DDA projects of about 8,000 crore rupees and some more projects. And in future, I think by end of financial year 15-16, our order book should be somewhere 30,000 to 35,000 crore rupees, plus few redevelopment projects which generally we don't take in order book unless it is start at ground.
Okay. Mr. Mittal, you are in a vantage position to tell us whether you see an improvement in the ordering climate, the tendering climate itself. You have been a standout performer even during slowdown times, but do you see more construction orders in the market?
Yes, of course. There will be increase in infrastructure orders, and this you can see NBCC is government company, and whatever orders we are getting all are from government departments. So I don't see any decline. It will definitely increase, and all sectors, not only road or buildings, infrastructure, institutional, health sector. It's very interesting that we are doing 12 medical colleges and few hospitals across the country. So I see a lot of increase in infrastructure boom.
Okay. So just tell me, you were saying that this 30 to 35,000 crore total order book will be by the end of FY16. So what is the order book run rate that you would expect, say in the next quarter, in Q2 itself?
Q2 itself, it should be in the range of 3,000 crore rupees, 2,500 to 3,000 crore rupees. Okay. Because a lot of things are in pipeline and almost in mature stage, and I hope by end of second quarter it should be 2,500 to 3,000 crore rupees.
Okay. Real estate is a small piece for you, but are you seeing some signs of life returning to that space?
Yes, definitely. That's why you must have seen 120% increase in our real estate business as well as profit.
Okay. Overall, can you tell us what the margin performance of the company could be by the end of this year? 3.5% margins is what you're sitting on currently. You were telling us 9% margins. That was for the project management business, right?
Yes.
Okay.
That is for project management business.
Okay. So blended margins would be what by the end of the year?
I think it should be in the range of 7 to 8%.
Okay. Actually, in the fourth quarter, even your blended margins were 9% across. You should be able to do 7 to 8, you think?
That is because of, some of the real estate property we sold in
Right.
fourth quarter. All these figures are very conservative. You see, company's focus is on more redevelopment projects, and you must have observed few orders have come to NBCC like IIPA redevelopment, Delhi government redevelopment, and Odisha government redevelopment. All these orders will be matured, on ground after 3 to 4 quarters. So it's, definitely our orders and margins will increase.
Okay. The Andhra government is not giving you any orders. Aren't they building their new capital or anything with respect to their new state?
You see, as far as new state is concerned, we have not heard anything, concrete on that ground. But definitely, all their district headquarters are in discussion with NBCC for redevelopment of their properties, because the entire state and districts are struggling for funds. So they found that this redevelopment model or investing money by NBCC and doing business is very lucrative. So I expect few orders in next quarter.
Okay. Can you just give us one update on what's happening with the real estate business? This time around, your real estate, it's still only 10% of revenues, but what's the update over there? Your revenues have grown substantially to 127 crores versus 63 crores earlier.
You see, we are doing almost 25 to 30 real estate projects across the country, and few are in planning stage, others are either in construction or final stage. And this year our targets are very, exciting targets. We are targeting about 700 to 800 crore rupees sales in real estate, and 500 to 900 crore in construction. So I'm hopeful that we'll do better than last year in real estate business.
Okay. Any capital raising? Will there be a follow-on public offer? Anything at all? Any changes to the capital that we should expect?
Not now. Not now. Only thing is, now company has decided to create a subsidiary, engineering subsidiary for consultancy and architecture works. You see, what we are doing right now, we are doing all the projects, and we are outsourcing all architecture engineering works to outside agencies. Now company has decided we should use our engineering wing for this purpose, and for that 100% subsidy has been approved by last board meeting.
Okay.
So we'll create that company. So that will definitely increase profit margin, because once you will do all engineering works in-house, so you will not pay anything outside. So that margin will come to NBCC.
Fair enough.
But the board has approved a 10% stake sale via the FPO route, right? When will that go through, and how much would you raise through that?
You see, that was approved in, I think, if I'm not wrong, in April or May board meeting. But immediately there is no plan to raise that money, because company doesn't need that money immediately. But that was approved those days.
All right. We'll leave it at that, Mr. Mittal. Thank you very much for that wealth of details that you gave us about your expected performance in FY16.